Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to contact support in the Photoroom app. If you ever face issues or need help while using Photoroom, knowing how to reach their support team is very important. First, open the Photoroom app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Then, click Help Center from the menu options. After that, click on Contact Photoroom Team to start reaching out to support. Next, choose Messages from the list of options that appear. Then, click on Ask a Question to open the chat interface. Finally, you can start typing your question or describe the issue you are experiencing and send it to the support team. The support team will review your message and get back to you with assistance or solutions. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides.